Hello and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and our special guest is May's Design Corner. And the theme she has chosen is Graceful Heart. And I'm going to start with these woven placemats. I have two that are round and two that are square. There's the square ones. And also, if you haven't had a chance to check out May's channel, I encourage you to do so. She is such a sweet lady and has the most wonderful, colorful decorations and faux food that she makes herself. Okay, here is a black and white plate from the Dollar Tree and the salad plate. So I'm going to be using these for my table setting for today. And this is a setting for 4 with the matching cup. And then next I have this beautiful centerpiece. I love the vase. That was thrifted. And I just put some twigs in it. It gives it a very fall look. And then next is the wine glasses. This one has a little bit of a green tint to it. Those were from the Dollar General. And then from Amazon is these goblets. So I have 2 of those. And then next I have these heart-shaped dishes. Those I believe I purchased at the Cracker Barrel gift shop. And one is just a little bit smaller than the other. And I will be adding candy to them. Okay, next I have these pumpkin-shaped ramekin dishes that I have one of my muffins in. The muffins are faux and they were purchased from Amazon. I'm not as talented as May is at making faux food, and they all look so real. Okay, here is my plaid napkin and fork and knife. Amazon for those. Next is the candle holders. Those are crystal with green tapered candles in them. So I just place those on each side of the centerpiece. Okay, here is the reveal. And as you can see, I did add candy to the silver heart dishes. So I hope May likes what I've presented today for Tablescape Tuesday in her honor. Okay, now I'm going to take you over to my fall tree. I have added some more fall leaves to it. And over here on the shelf, I have a grateful sign and a heart-shaped wicker basket. And then I also have some pilgrims and Indians and my black and white checkered dishes. I do have to say I'm very proud of my fall tree. This is the first one I've ever created. And I think it turned out really pretty. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. So have a blessed day, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye for now.